I do want to get to this Apple news today that I referenced at the top. We were going to talk about it. Why? Because there's a significant moment, I think, in the anthology of what's happened with this name. Tony Sacconaghi of Bernstein, he upgraded Apple today. Now, okay, so an analyst upgrades Apple. You're like, oh, duh. Except for the fact that it was 6 years ago that he last had a buy or an outperform on this stock. He upgraded it today to that from market perform. He downgraded it 6 years ago on February 2nd of 2018. Now he reiterates the price target of 195. He says, buy the fear. He says Apple's prevailing weakness in China is more cyclical than structural. Expectations are low entering the results. It's a seasonally strong trading period. And more importantly, Apple is less expensive than it appears. Our belief is that, like Buffett, investors should look to add to positions at the bottom of the stock's valuation range and trim at the top. Take this.
Interesting. I've always advocated that fundamentally this is the one company that just when you think you're seeing an inflection point in the fundamentals, they prove you wrong. And they either prove you wrong through their balance sheet, the utilization of the balance sheet, whether it's the dividend or the buyback, or it's something embedded in what is a remarkable customer base and the resiliency that's reflected there, obviously, in its products with the earnings. I can't come on air, okay, with a rebalance occurring tomorrow for the ETF and not acknowledge that there's been a dramatic deterioration just purely looking at price and momentum. Over the last 52 weeks, the stock is up 2.8%. The stock since November of 2021 is ultimately really nowhere. So if I'm guided by two metrics, the fundamentals and the technicals, it really comes down to weighing each of those. And in the near term, to me, the technicals don't look good. The fundamentals over the long term always tend to prove out, always tend to win out with Apple. So if you are more tactical in your nature, then you're going to look and lean towards the technicals. If you are more of a long-term investor, you're going to look towards the fundamentals. And the fundamentals, you can't bet against them.
Boy, lousy calendar for you. Right? I mean,
sure is.
Got to make this decision for the rebalance ahead of Thursday's earnings report. Good luck.
Yeah.
He's rules-based.
Remember, the stock was like 165, okay? Now it's like 175. Because
nice little bounce last several days.
Yeah, the last few days, but also the fact that Sacconaghi has upgraded the stock today. It's a 3% move. So it's a strong day, Jim.
Yeah, but I also think that the Tesla news is flowing through to Apple, because what's the Achilles heel for Apple right now? It's China. And Tesla, an American company, making some good inroads over the weekend with China. I think there's a halo effect there. Mad respect for Tony. I think we all have that. I disagree as a portfolio manager. I'm not going to step in front of these earnings where I think...
You disagree with the upgrade?
I disagree with the timing of the upgrade. So specifically, what he's saying is buy the fear. And I'm reading that as buy the fear in front of the earnings report. Tony, if I got that wrong, I'm sorry, but I think that's what you're saying.
Well, I mean, he didn't say it word for he didn't say buy it before the earnings report. I think he just felt now was the time buy the fear. There's a lot of fear in the stock, both for fundamental and technical reasons.
I'm being a critical reader, and that's what I'm reading into it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But here's my point.
You're reading between the lines.
I do, as you know, Scott, I do want to add to it. I'm not going to do it in front of earnings because it seems to be the more likely scenario is I buy here, there's some bad China news that comes out and the stock comes down. If I'm wrong, okay, look, I certainly wouldn't spike the football in Tony's face if I'm right. I don't think he'll spike the football in my face if I'm wrong. And maybe I'm buying it higher than here. I do think, to your point, Joe, I think long-term investors do want to add at this level. I can't bring myself to do it in front of this.
Maybe the most important part of his note is as it relates to China, and it's where he says cyclical, not structural.
Yes.
I think some would suggest, well, I don't know, maybe it's turned from what we thought was cyclical to a structural issue due to competition, market share, and Huawei and things like that. They still get, what, 17%, 20%, maybe a little less of their revenues from China.
Yeah, I think you've hit the nail on the head. This is the debate. Is it structural or is it cyclical? He's clearly saying cyclical. On Friday, I would have said, no way, this is absolutely secular. China does not want its citizens buying Apple phones. There's Tesla news, which we'll get to, obviously.
We'll get to that right now when you finish your sentence.
Okay, but I mean, look, this is a positive sign for American businesses doing business in China.
Well, because
and I think it's spreading through.